my living room, and I was thinking, I've been having so much fun looking for and listening for birds. And I thought, wouldn't it be fun to pretend to be a bird? So, every bird has to have a place to live. And do you remember? It's called a nest. I think I need to make a nest. How could I do it? Oh my God. Look, I've got these couch cushions. I bet I could build a nest with these couch cushions. I think I'm going to give it a try. Doesn't that sound like great fun? So I built a nest out of couch cushions. It's actually kind of comfy and it's so much fun to do. I could, maybe next time I'll even add like a little blanket and I'll have my own little tweet party here as a bird. I just hope that no one wants to sit on the couch while I'm doing this. That could cause a problem.
Hey, what happened to the couch?
Oh no. Friends, I think I'm in trouble again. Friends, make sure you ask for permission. And I hope you can have fun making a couch cushion nest and pretend to be a bird. Bye, friends.
Be a bird. Make a nest. For more fun videos with vocabulary support for English language learners, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.